Hello everybody, I want to show you this video some tips and tricks for the gestures at the Huawei Y6s. So first of all, I have enabled here the navigation bar because it's better to show you at first. So if you want to change the navigation, you can choose between this navigation bar and gestures. So let me show you how we can belong there. So go on the settings, then scroll down to the last point, system. So then we would need the point system navigation. This is third point here. Okay, so as I said, I have actually this navigation bar here, so the 3-key navigation. So if you're going here on the settings, you can also change it at which place you want to go back, and so on and so on, and where you have the recent tabs. But I want to show you about the gestures. So let's choose the gestures here, and you can start a tutorial. He's asking you for that. If you start a tutorial, you can try a bit. So let's try to go back. It's like this. This is the way how you could go back. And also you can do the same also from the right side. So it has been nice as well. And if you want to go back in general, so just swipe from down to the top. And if you want to have the recent tabs, so just swipe here to the middle, leave your finger, and you will have here the recent tabs. So a very nice tutorial here. So if you're going here on the settings, you can also have again some instructions how it works and so on. Okay, yeah, as I said, no. If you want to go back, just go like this. No, if you want to go back in general to the main, also to the desktop, swipe up like this. And if you want to have the recent tabs, just swipe to the middle of the screen until you see the first tab here, leave your finger, and you have here the recent tabs. Yeah, I think very easy. And yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. And maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. Would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me. Would be a pleasure to see you again. And maybe until next time. Ciao.